provinces in Canada?
10?
Okay, how many provinces in China?
23.
How many provinces in the Philippines?
I don't know. How many?
Believe it or not, 81. Abra, Kalinga, Aurora, Laguna, Maguindanao, Ifugao, Isabela, Aklan and Basilan, Sulu, Biliran, Leyte, Cagayan, Bulacan and Balao.
From the moment I started rolling my dad's tube socks and shooting imaginary game-winning shots.